Have you ever hesitated to buy something but be worried about online returns? To be honest, you're not alone. In fact, 73% of shoppers say the returns experience affects whether they'll buy from a store again. But what if I told you that your returns policy could actually boost your sales? Hey, I'm Des from the Ecom Corner, and in today's video, we're going to go through a few things regarding your returns page. We're going to show you how to create a Shopify returns page that turns hesitant browsers into confident buyers. Now, if you're new to e-commerce or struggling to get your Shopify store off the ground, you might think a generous returns page is a recipe for lost profits. But the truth is, a well-crafted returns page can be a powerful tool for building trust and actually driving sales. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create a returns page that not only protects your business, but also encourages more purchases. So here's the problem. Many new Shopify store owners either hide their returns policy in the fine print or make it so restrictive that it scares customers away. This leads to a lower conversion rate, higher cart abandonment rates, and ultimately fewer sales. It's actually a classic case of trying to protect your profits in the short term, but actually you're losing money in the long run. And for stores doing less than 1 million a year, every lost sale counts. The solution is to create a customer-centric returns page that builds trust and reduces purchase anxiety. So here's how to create a returns page that really boosts your sales. What you want to do is you want to make it really easy to find. Don't bury your returns policy in the footer. Add a clear link in your main navigation. Use simple language. Avoid legal jargon and explain your policy in terms of a fifth grader could understand. Next, you want to highlight the benefits. Instead of just listing rules, emphasize how your policy benefits the customer. For example, 30-day worry-free returns sounds much better than returns are accepted within 30 days. The next thing you need to do is you really do need to show off your policy. If you offer free returns or exchanges, make it a selling point and add it to your product pages and checkout pages. And next, you want to provide really clear instructions. Walk customers through the return process step by step. And the easier you make it, the more confident they will feel about buying. Next, you want to build trust building elements. Add customer testimonials about your returns process or share stats on your customer satisfaction rate. So what I've done, guys, is I've created an AI prompt that will help you craft your own returns page. And it's really simple. Just fill in wherever you see the brackety details, just fill in your details in the brackety details, run the prompt, and it will help you craft a returns page. So let's run this and see what it looks like. Okay, so what I've done is I've basically filled in the prompt with some dummy details. So we called it the Eco Shop. And as you can see, it's got worry-free returns and exchanges, what can be returned in exchange, how to return and exchange, who covers return or shipping, refund process and timeline, returning gifts, international customs and fees, frequently asked questions, eco-friendly return options, policy updates, and basically testimonials, as I explained earlier, includes testimonials and a return address as well. So as you can see, as long as you fill in the details of the prompt, it will actually create a returns page for you with all the relevant items that I explained to you earlier in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in the description of this YouTube video so you can use it. And if you do use it, please let me know how you get on. Now guys, if you want a more in-depth way of actually adding custom pages to your store, you want to check this video out. This is our comprehensive guide of adding custom pages to your Shopify store. You'll find a link in the description below. Now just remember, your returns policy isn't just a necessary evil. It's a powerful tool for building trust and driving sales. By implementing these strategies, you can turn potential refunds into loyal customers. Guys, thanks for watching, and here's to your e-com success.